We've all seen how powerful short form videos are, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. They get tons of attention. But what if I told you that the real magic comes when you use short videos for paid ads? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create short form video ads that don't just get views, they convert into paying clients. I'm Julian, and I've helped local service-based businesses just like yours generate over 3.6 million in the last 12 months with my Authority Creator system. If you're looking to grow fast using short form video ads, I've got a free training that breaks down my exact strategy step by step. You can find the link in the description below. So here's why short form videos are perfect for paid ads. They're quick, they grab attention instantly, and people love watching them. That's why platforms like Instagram and TikTok are pushing short form content so hard. But the key is making sure that your short video ads don't just get watched, they need to drive action. In the first few seconds, you've got to grab their attention. No fluff, no slow intros, get straight to the point. Think about it like this. Your ad has to hook them in so fast that they're willing to stop scrolling and listen to what you have to say. Here's the secret to short form ads that actually convert. Focus on delivering value in a short amount of time. Whether it's a quick tip, a solution to a problem, or a powerful testimonial, your ad has to get viewers a reason to care right away. When I create short ads, I don't just throw out a quick pitch. I show people something valuable, a result I've gotten for a client, a powerful insight, or a tip that they can use right away. That's what makes people stop and think, okay, I need this in my life. Here's the exact scripting framework that I personally use to create high converting short form ads. So number one is you want to start with a hook. You want to have a hook that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds, making it bold, clear, and directly relevant to your audience. This could be a powerful question, a surprising fact, or a clear benefit like, want to double your leads in the next 30 days? And the next step is by highlighting a pain or problem that your audience is dealing with. This is where you show them that you understand their problems. For example, most local businesses are struggling to get enough leads through organic traffic alone. And number 3 is you want to provide a solution or give value. In this case, the solution is your service or expertise. Say something like, with a simple Instagram ad strategy, you can reach thousands of local customers who are ready to buy. Keep it clear and straightforward. And number 4 is you need to have social proof or a testimonial. This is important because you have to show them that your solution actually works. You can do this by highlighting a result you've achieved for a client or sharing a brief testimonial. For example, here's how my client Casey generated a $48,000 client within a week of using this exact strategy. And number 5 is you want to end with a strong call to action. Tell them exactly what you want them to do, whether it's clicking a link, booking a call, or following you to learn more. Here's an example of my go-to call to action. If you want to learn exactly how this works, then just shoot me a follow and go through my past content where I show you exactly how to do it. If you're ready to start using short-form video ads to grow your business, I've created a free training that walks you step by step through my strategy. You can find that video right here.